snacks makes you happy.
They played classical music in yesterday's albergue in the morning, and now Reese thinks he's really sophisticated.
I like it. It helps me stretch. It relaxes my muscles.
Is that what we call it? I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, hey!
Hello, good morning. Welcome to day 4 of the Camino. Last night we stayed in a lovely private room and we got to sleep until 7:30 this morning.
Oh man, I highly recommend that every couple days.
We are in Viscarret, something along those lines. Today we pass Navarre, which is where most people stayed last night, and continue on to a village called Larrasoaña. 12 kilometers. It'll be our second longest day.
Not looking forward to it.
No, it's gonna be good.
Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yay!
All right, here we go. There she goes. She's
Oh, I
off.
forgot it follows me.
Yep.
Later.
Hey, bye.
Minute 10, already medicating. My calf hurts really, really bad.
Hi, how are you? It's a zoo today. Dogs and cats and cows. Trash can cats. Trash can cat. We prefer our hikes with food trucks. We're not going to make it very far because Sabrina keeps petting all the dogs. When you get to the top of the mountain, you're supposed to drop your pants.
No shame in Reese's changing game.
That's,
Ooh, look at that. Sexy.
folklore. That's what the villagers say. We're gonna cut it off. what a funny joke. Well, it may be annoying to stop every 5 seconds to check on a blister and put a band-aid on it and then take it off. It's a lot better than actually getting a blister that keeps you from walking. Right?
10K down, made it to our lunch break, but I can't decide if I am craving lunch or a beer.
Why not both?
We'll see.
Zuberi. Da 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 da.
So, my assessment, now that we've arrived in Navarre, the people who come all the way here from Roncesvalles in one day, mad respect. I don't think I could, well, I could do it if I had to, but I wouldn't be a happy hiker. Glad we did it in 2 days.
I couldn't do it. Classic.
Look at this.
Classic.
I don't know if this is supposed to make us feel better or worse, but it's only an 8-minute drive to the town that we're hoping we make it to before it starts raining in 3 hours.
What? Why didn't we drive again?